Where are we hiking at?
Almaden. Oh, hold on. We're hiking at Almaden Quicksilver County Park.
We've only been at it for like, what, 5 minutes? Not even 5 minutes yet.
Yeah.
And I'm already dying. Are you dying?
I'm almost there. I'm still all right.
Are you dying? Yeah. What's your review of the green juice?
I'll have to take a major shit later.
How's the taste of it?
It's not terrible.
It's not good?
It's alright.
Oh, your face says otherwise. It's good for your soul.
Sure.
So
We are at Ikea.
we're out here.
Why are you zooming in for, bruh? Shut the fuck up.
Finally made it inside. Adrian's using the bathroom right now, so we're just waiting. The employees being yelled at for not having their mask on. How does that make you feel?
Ooh, he in trouble.
How does that make you feel?
Ooh, he's gonna get in trouble.
Probably better.
Get some money.
Alright, Adrian, no more playing for lights. That's all you do in here.
That's all I do.
Adrian's gonna get us kicked out the store because he's connecting his phone to a speaker right now. What
I'm
are you doing?
trying to connect to.
That's not what we're looking for.
I have to.
No.
I have to know if this is gonna
What
work.
are we looking for?
A bed.
Is that a bed?
It's a bed accessory. Nope.
Is that what we're looking for? Nope. Is it even close to what we're looking for? So if we get kicked off the store, it's gonna be your fault. Adrian's sad now because he couldn't connect his phone to the speaker because it was password protected. Didn't your mama ever teach you to make up your bed?
Fuck no. This is my room right here. As you can tell, it matches my mattress. And this is where I lay all the bitches in.
Say that one more time.
Nothing? I didn't say anything. Ooh, hula hoop that shit.
What do you think you're doing? What the box did you?
There was no hand sanitizer.
Hey Karen, bring me a beer.
I'm not bringing you shit.
What do we make today?
Wait, what?
We're gonna make the full
Okay, there you go.
good. What'd you put in here?
Cow shit.
No wonder I tasted Karen's bullshit.
I think that chair is a little small for you, ma'am. No?
I'm small size. I get small size shit.
What's this thing about pozole?
Oh, we'll make some pozole. I got everything ready. Your sister wants to chop you up, use you for the meat, bring some good flavor. That's what she said.
Excuse me?
That one right there. Karen, do you mind coming over here?
What the fuck?
Coming.
Is there anything that I can get you guys today?
You can stop.
What can I get you, sir?
Can I get a cup of fuck off? Thank you.
Sorry, I don't have either of those things. We're out of both of those things. I'm so sorry.
So how about I get a knife? And I just accidentally pushed it to your stomach.
I'm sorry, we don't have knives here.
I think I have mine. Yo, what the fuck out of my face?
Somehow I'm stuck with Karen and Kevin. What the fuck are you doing?
Let's go. If she wants to beat her meat, that's how she does it.
I thought you loved me.
Sometimes.
Hi guys. I'm Sam, this slithering stick. What do you do for a living, Sam?
I slither.
That's all you do?
Fuck you.
I would offer you some food, but currently I don't have anything to feed you.
Okay.
Why is he so rude?
Bitch. I don't know. You're in my way, ma'am.
What are you looking at? Don't be looking around.
You can see we are in the Ikea wildlife where they have some crazy people ready.
Oh! It's so small.
That's what she said. I want to show you. This is me, my bitch. That's me, my bitch. Together.
You wanna die?
No.
You sure? Seems like you want to.
You wanna know something? She was in a porno with a bag of screaming goats.
Why are you so aggressive?
Well, you gotta be like that with them.
I like how Adrian's touching everything that he's walking past.
I'm looking for Karen. Tell me where she's at.
We are on our way out. Didn't find what we were looking for. She's hurting. I'm hurting. Doesn't he play too much? I think he does.